Hello everybody, this is Michael. In this video, we will create one audio jack package symbol in Allegro. Okay, so first let's take a look at the steps for the package symbol creation. So the first step is to create the pad. The second step is to place pin. The third step is to draw the silk screen layer. Here, the next step is draw the place bundle. Next, we will edit this reference ID, and next is to edit value. Okay. So first, let's take a look at the picture for the devices. So this is the picture for the devices. We will create the package symbol. Okay, and for the for the Allegro, the first step is to create the pad. And we have the pad design for in Allegro. Okay, so this is a pad design. Okay, and we have our data sheet for these devices. So this is the data sheet for the devices. Okay, and we need to create this pad and this pad. This is a mechanical pad. This is electronic pad. Okay, this is an SMD pad. Okay, okay. So is this size? Okay. So for our pad design, the first things we choose the millimeter, and here is a mechanical drill hole. So we make the circle drill is 1.5. Okay, is this value? This is 1.5. This is 1.5. And here we setting the width and height is also this one. Okay. So for the layer, for the begin layer, we setting the circle is also 1.5, 1.5. And here we set it none. Okay, here we set it none. And this default layer, the same setting with the begin layer, and the layer, same setting with the begin layer. Also for the solder mask, and solder mask top and solder mask bottom. Okay, so this is the setting for the mechanical hole. We save it as it will pop this warning because it's a mechanical hole, and we just ignore it, and we will continue to save it. We save it as this name. This is drill hole name. This is the pad hole name. Okay, this is the drill hole size. This is the pad size. Okay, we save it. We replace it. So this is the first one. And the second one, we need to drill. We need to draw this pin, this pad. We need to design this pad. Okay. So for this pad, we know the width is here, so it's 1.5, and we need the drill hole. Okay. We don't need to drill anything because it's a single layer. It is a single layer, and we don't need to drill anything. Make it 0. This is a single layer, and this is we need to choose rectangle. We need to choose the rectangle. And the width is 1.5. Width is 1.5. But here didn't give the height. Didn't give this size. And if you do more researching, so we can find another data sheet for it. It's also the same model, PJ320D. and here is also PJ320D. Okay, so in this data sheet, it gives this size. Okay, it gives this size. This is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 5 divided by 2. This one is 2.5. Okay, so this one from here to here is 2.5. So we make this one is 2.5. Okay, we can see from the top. Okay, so this is a begin layer, and we needed the solder mask layer. We copy this first and paste it here, and we need the solder mask layer a little bit bigger than it, 0.1 millimeter. Okay, so a little bit bigger than it. And also we copy this and pass to this layer. So this is passed layer. Okay. The bottom, we no need the bottom. Okay. We no need the bottoms of the mask. Okay. We just need the begin layer, so the mask top, and past the mask top. We need this 3 layer. Okay, so we save it. Save first. We save it as rectangle. This is rectangle, and the size is 1.5, and another size is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. So this is the width, and this is height. 1.5 divided by 1.5, and this is 2.5. Okay, so we save it. It's a rectangle. Okay, we save it. So we finish the pad, and then we place the pin. And we need to open our Allegro. Okay, we need to open our Allegro here. So this is our Allegro. So we knew one package symbol here. We browser, and the browser we save it in our package library. We save it in this package library, and the drill name, the package name, we'll put it like audio jack. The type is let's take a look. PJ320D. Okay, PJ320D. Okay, so this is our audio jack. PJ320D. Okay, this is our package symbol name. Okay, open, and we click OK. Okay. Okay, so before we go for the next step, we do some setting. We click setup design parameter, and we setting here. So make this one as millimeter, and make this one is 100. This one is 100, and this one is 200. This one is 200. Okay, apply, and we go back to here, make the grid on and setting the grid. This one make it 0.01 and this one make it 0.01. Similarly, put here and here, okay, and then click OK, and click Apply, and click OK. So the middle, the center of this position will be the center of this area. So you will see here, the coordinate here. So it will be 0, 0. Okay, really, this is the center of the area. Okay, so next, let's take a look here. Let's place the pin. Okay, so let's place the pin. The pin is layout pins here. And we have two types of the pin need to place. One is mechanical, one is a connector. So we check a look at our data sheet first. Okay, so this is here. This is a layout for the package sample, and this is actually the coordinate. Okay, so we place this one first. We make it this one as 0, 0 coordinate, 0, 0 coordinate, and so this one the coordinate will be 3.8 and 0. Okay, so we place this one first. So this one is mechanical one, and click here and click here. And we need to select the pad. So previous we design two pad. One is this one and another one is this one. Okay. Another one is this one. Another one is this one. We design two pads. This is the second one. This is the first one. Okay. So this one is C150 H150. And click here. We click here, it will find it. Okay, and here, so we have two of it. See, 1, 2. The distance is 7 millimeters, so we make it here is 2, and this is 7. Okay, and how we place it? We use the coordinate to place it. So for this one, the coordinate is 3.8 and 0. So we begin here. Put x. X is 3. Let's check it again. 3.8. 3.8 and 0. We press the Enter key. Okay. So let's go to take a look. Okay, you will see we already put two mechanical pads here. Click that. Okay, so we already finished one, and we have another 4 pin here. So let's take a look at this pin first. So this pin, the coordinate will be x is this one, 5.2, and y will be start from here. So for this pin, we already know the x is this one, but we didn't know the y is the y is here. And then we check the second data sheet. So here it gives the y. So this is 4, half of it, this is 2, and this is 9 minus and this is 9, and okay, so let's calculate this position for this one. Okay, and we go back to here first. We need to know the these pins x. This pins x, it will be the 5.2, And this one we didn't know this position, and here it is. We go back to the second data sheet. Is here, okay. From here to here is 4, so half of it, this is should be 2. So let's take a look at y. This is 2, this is 2, and plus, and half of this pin is 2.5 divided by 2, okay. So this should be 2 plus 1.25, and it should be 3.25, okay? Okay, so go back to here. So this position, the xy should be like this, and we place the second, the pin. So we place the second pin. So it is connect pin, and we click here, and it is rectangle. So it's R, and it's 1.5 by 2.5. It's 1.5 by 2.5. Okay, so let's take a look. So it's this one. Okay. Okay, so it's this one, and we place these two so we can make the space as 3. Okay, and we already have our coordinate like this, 5.2 and 3.25. Okay, put it here, x 5.2 and 3.25. Okay. Okay. So it will place these two. We'll place these two pin, and we have another pin here. So this is another pin 1. So for this coordinator will be let's take a look here. We need to change the x. The x is 1.2 plus 3 and plus 4 equal to this is 7, so it should be like this. Okay, it should be like this. Fine. Okay, so the y is the same. This one is x, and this one is y. The y is same. So we place this pin. We place this pin, and this pin is this value. And this value, put it here. Okay. Okay. And the next, we have one more pin here. We have one more pin, and the pin will be this one. Okay, will be this one. So this one is x is this value. For this one, the x is this value, and the y is the y should be minus 3.25. Okay, so we still need to put one here, so it's 3.7 and minus 3.25. So it will be here. Okay, Okay. Okay, let's take a look at the data sheet again. So this, we already put all of the pins. So next step, we need to draw the screen layer. We need to draw the screen layer. Okay. The screen layer will be here. We down here. No. And we save it first. Okay. Okay, so we close this first. And we click here, edit line, and choose the silk screen top here. And we setting the line width is 1.5. Okay. Is 1.5. And we draw the line. We also need to set in the coordinate. Let's take a look at the coordinate. So this is the width. This is this is the length. Okay, this is the length, and this is the width. So it's 6 by this value. Okay. And we start from this position. So this is from here to here is 6. From here to here is 6, and from here to here is 14.2. Okay, so this position will be -3, 0, 0 -3, and this position will be 0, 3, and this position will be this value and 3, and this position will be this value and -3. Okay, so what we need to do is to draw the screen layer according to these two coordinate. Okay, so we draw the screen layer according to this coordinate. Okay, so here we choose this one, setting like this, silk screen top, and this width. We setting this one, and so this is first coordinate. Go, and the second coordinate is here. Press enter. The third coordinate is here. Okay, this one coordinate is here, and we go back the original coordinate. So done. Okay, so this is a silk screen top. Okay, this is the silk screen top. We can disable the grid. Okay, so it will be more clear here. And the next, we draw the screen layer, and we draw the place boundary. The place boundary, we use this one, and we draw the place boundary here. The place boundary top. The place boundary means the device should be put inside the area, so we can draw like this. make sure the device is inside the area. Okay, so this is place band. Next, we added the reference ID. We added this one. Okay, we added this one, so we can add it here and here reference ID, and we added to the silk top. Okay, to the silk top. You can choose the text block. Okay, so we just put here, and we click any places and type REF will be fine. Click done. Okay. Next, we added the value. Okay, we added the value, and we added the value here. Layout, labels, value. We make it into the. We still make it into the silk top, and click any places, and type value. Okay, so done. Okay, so here we save it again. Okay, we save it again, override it. Okay, you will see no any error anymore. No any error anymore. So here we already create. Here we already create the audio jack package. The audio jack package here, but you see we here there is some pin. The pin ID it doesn't start from 1. This is 2. We can take a look. So this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and it doesn't start from 1. So how we do it? We can modify the pin name. Okay, we can modify the pin name. So let's modify it. So let's take a look our data sheet for it. So this data sheet, this pin is 1, this pin is 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So let's change it. So this is 1. We click here. This is text edit. Okay. This is 1. Click here and press 1. And this is 2. Click here, press 2. Click here. This is 3. No need to change. Click here. This is 4. And we save it. Save it. Okay. So double check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. So this is audio jack. This is the audio jack package sample in Verilog. Okay. Okay. So this is Michael, and see you next time.